Control Tech provide industrial electronic repairs for a range of industries, from small precision engineering companies up to large-scale manufacturers.
Control Tech is different because of the staff. With a lot of years' experience regarding our engineers, our sales staff, our customer services, and we strive to give our customers the best service possible.
We have a range of testing facilities at Control Tech, and we're continually researching and developing these further so that the customer can be sure that every time our repair is of the highest quality. The service that we provide is second to none, and we're continually investing in our people and our capabilities.
Customers will get a first-class service when they come to Control Tech, unrivaled by any other competitor.